All right, we're back. Just before this news hits. And news is out. Man, those numbers sure didn't do much. Wow, look at CL after my trade here. Another entry long would have been really nice. A lot of chop here. I don't know, it feels like we're going higher. We can get above this level here. And now we're selling off again. Wow. Chop fist. Definitely not going to be part of this. Who's going to win? Feel like, feel now like it's going to go down. We are just chopping. Pushing a little bit higher here. I don't know. I'm not touching it for now. Not touching it. Man, I want to short almost. Feel like it's getting heavier and heavier. Thinking about selling here on this. Okay, got our first target. Break even. A pretty tight stop here to get. I might just get hit here. Okay, I like it. Let's keep trailing this down. Hopefully get a little more selling yet. All right, I'm out. Very quick. That was on my funded account. Happy with that. Let's go. Ooh. All right. Yeah, what this candle here and how we sold it off right here, that was kind of my signal to go short. Wish I would have taken it on these accounts as well. Wasn't quick enough to pull the trigger. Now we might get a bounce. Might get a bounce here. Okay, I'm kind of interested in this actually. I'm gonna at least look at it. No, it's okay. Never might make new highs here or lows. A pretty strong push there. Didn't make new highs though. I'm not sure I like this trade. Well, I guess we're in it now. Not crazy about this resistance area we have going on here. I'm going to keep this pretty closely monitored here. I'm out. I might just get chopped out on this both ways. Feels bad. Feel like we're gonna make new lows here. But nah, not liking. There we go. All right. Happy with that. We took about a $15 loss on that. Didn't make new lows. Barely. Now we're going lower. All right. Well, this is kind of told myself this morning. If I go up like 300-400 today to walk away, ooh, there it goes. That's what I was looking for. Feels bad. Again, not being patient enough. Starting to become such a theme for me. I just need to work on my patience. I have the correct moves, correct. I'm looking at everything right, but I am taking my profit way too soon. Now, here's what my brain is telling me is I have to be very careful of that, because being too patient then causes this, where you miss this whole move, like you give all your profits back here. So I also don't want to do that. I just want that perfect happy medium. But in hindsight, this entry here, I was just, if you rewind the tape, I was thinking, like just as we got up to it, I'm like, ooh, I don't like this. And I was too late to close out of it before it killed me. So, it is what it is. Now we're going all the way back up. What a move up here. Now this is an interesting level right here. I'm gonna just, this is a feeler trade here. And yeah, totally kind of going out on a whim with this one. I'm gonna keep my stop right above that level. This is a risky trade. Okay, got my first target. Now I'm going to put my stop right above this candle here. And then this, I'm going to just, this is me going to be exercising my patience. I am going to leave this. I'm going to let it run. Okay, now I want to, my stop here, 41.47. I need to move it. Okay, right now I'm at where my stop is, so I'm good. Now let's make new lows here. Come on. A lot of resistance here, so I might take profit. I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm out because of this double bottom. But I'm very happy with that trade. That was a little bit more of a risky trade, but the reason I took it now we're going to make new lows, but I took that profit because we were at this double, basically triple bottom here. And the reason I took that trade, definitely in a downtrend, came back up to EMA, which I love that trade. But that also, this pivot point and this resistance right here at 41.48, as soon as we started selling off a little bit, usually I would wait and my entry would actually be on this bar after we closed down before here. That's why it was a little more risky, because I just entered off of this bar. I entered prematurely, just trying to get a really good entry, and it worked out, but I also was aware that that could go against me pretty quickly and take me out, but it worked out. Now we're going to go make new lows here, huh? All right. Are we going to bounce here? Now, this would also be a very risky trade. I think we're going to make new lows, honestly. I think, yeah, here we go. I think we're going to go through 41.37. I think we're in, like, if we look at ES, the daily, we can see here when 41.40, if that gets lost, if we lose 41.38, there's a lot of move. You know, we could be aiming for the 4100s, to be honest. But I think we're due for a really heavy selling day, but I thought that the last couple of days and have been wrong. So this is a little bit different than other days. The other last 2 days we've been just slowly moving up, and then we sell off in the afternoon. So be very curious what we do here. So, but now we are bouncing here. So if we get up to this level right here, 41.43, a very interesting level. Very interesting level. I'm going to check out CL, make sure not missing anything there. Like just a slow bleed down. Um, well, that we might not even make it up to that 41.43 the way that looks. Hmm. Oh. Oh man, looking at this entry here. Why did I not take it on this account? So if you're new, this here is where I trade my funded accounts from. This is where I trade my evaluation accounts from. I'm trading 7 counts at a time here, 12 counts at a time here. Okay, now see, like this move here has got me, if we make it above this 41.40, I am interested almost right here in a long. Very risky against the trend. Not saying this is a good idea. All right, I'm going to take this risky trade. Not going to hold for long. I'm going to take my profits really quickly here. Might actually take him right there. Okay, why flatten everything? Not sure what is going on there. Make sure I think one of the accounts maybe didn't get filled. Again, that was just a short scalp. And looks like I could have held on for longer there. Now, this is where I'm not that upset with not trailing my stop. I don't really look to trail when I'm going against the trend. But, I mean, obviously you can. Right here, you definitely be doing very well. But I'm more interested, like, if we're in the same trend, if I take a counter trend trade, then I'm taking both contracts profit right away. But here we hit this 41.43 level that we were looking at. Now, are we going to make new lows? I'd be kind of cautious. This is a really heavy support, and this smells like a fake out. I think we might pull back. We might bounce a little bit higher here into this area, 41.50s, 41.48 before we make push down. Okay. One thing I noticed since the rhythmic outage, it messed up, it unlinked all my commissions to each account. Oh man, are you kidding me? Now I need to redo that? Alright, I'm gonna do that. Try not to get too distracted here that I miss a move. Alright. So ES per unit is $1.99. And Q, I'm only changing the ones that I trade. Do I have CL? Yeah, right here. $3.96. Yeah, also a little bit expensive to trade. See how I trade. I'm gonna put in NQ here because sometimes I trade it. I don't like trading it, but I have. Excuse me. Okay, 398. Oh man, this is a looks like a short here. Now we need to go to the micros. M E F. Where are you at? Where is? What? Am I blind or what is going on here that I can't see it? N. Yeah, I think I need to add it. So MES, that micro ES 102. Then I'm gonna do the MNQ as well. MNQ and now CL. MCL 102 as well. All right, so now we apply that. Okay. Now I need to edit account. Add that. Again, this has just been has just been an issue since. Actually, I take that back. I forgot. I updated NinjaTrader last night to NinjaTrader 8. That's why this happened, not because of the outage. Oh, this is a lot of accounts. Okay, well, let's look at this level here now. Again, like we talked about, this was a aggressive entry, but would have been a nice move. I was nervous right through here that we might go back down, but now we're coming up against VWAP, against this resistance. Interesting right here. This is a, we could enter now, but very risky. All right. Let's save this. All right. Ooh, right here. So now, I'm always hesitant to enter here because, so yes, went up to VWAP and we came, we're pulling back, but this is a new trend now. So if we enter here, we'd be going against the trend, and this could just be a bounce right off the EMA to go higher. So I don't like taking these types of trades. You can easily get trapped. Check out CL. A little bit interesting here, right? We're on the EMA. We're a little bit above it, but been doing some heavy, just kind of slow and steady sell. Ooh, there we see. That was just a pullback, and now we just needed momentum to get above VWAP. Wow, what a move. And this was actually a really good entry point right here. I thought about it, but with VWAP and this, we are definitely seeing some. Wow. So much for my theory that we're going to sell off today. Crazy. Market only goes up, guys. Yeah, I need to take a trade on. I need to take a couple. I just need to make a trade here on these accounts, just so it counts as a day. This is me just trying to get a day. I'm not really looking for a move here. Just want to. All right, I'm just gonna get out. I just wanted it to register as a traded day. That is all I wanted. Those account. I think there's. But those I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. These accounts are linked together, but I'm just using. I'm basic. Those are my reserves. So I'm just trading them every day, one trade, so it counts as a trading day. But these accounts are not part of my profit and not considered part of my journey. Now, this is interesting here. Oh, wow. There we go. Shot back up. Man, sold off again. So here, so on this one, I entered, man, holding on to this, that would have been very brave. I entered right down here, but just kind of scalped and got out because it was counter trend. But obviously, in hindsight, that would have been a sick trade, but it is what it is. Wow. And we just made a big V. Whoosh. Let's see how it broke that trend above EMA now. Okay, I think I am going to end the stream for now. I'm very happy with where we're at and kind of don't want to be giving any of this back. I might just call it. And I also need to go mow the lawn. So I might actually do that. I might go mow the lawn, chill with that. And then once I'm done, maybe around 1, 2 o'clock, I'll come. But hang on. This is got me interested here. Just give me a quick one. It doesn't want to do it. Not liking this. Okay, that's a good sign that I need to go. Man, thought we'd go back up, but now we probably will. All right. Just to see quickly where we're ending the day at. If yeah, we are at $2,800 profit right now. Actually, this isn't right. I need to update this. Yeah, I should have just hit my stop a little bit There it goes without me.